Okay children, shall we go to the glossary now? Carving means cutting a shape into wood piece and forming into a shape. See, they carve the wooden piece into a shape of an elephant or dolls, etc. etc. Robe means a long loose outer garment, the dress which is covered fully. Kung Fu, a Chinese method of fighting. Might means power, great strength or power. Bowed means bending the body forwards to show respect. When we bend our body to show our respect. Okay children, now we will go to the story. Shall I narrate the story now? Fine. China was in great war. So the emperor ordered each and every one member from the family, Chinese family, must join the army. So Mulan's family, Mulan's father, Mulan, girl, teenage girl, and her small little brother. The boy was very small. Moreover, her father was very old. He was a carpenter, one who carves pieces of woods and makes into shapes. And Mulan was learnt all this martial arts her father taught her for the more than 4 or 5 years. She learnt all this martial arts and she was eager to join the army. Meanwhile, the king, the emperor ordered each one should join the army from each family. In Mulan's family, there was no man except her father. Her brother was too small. What she did, she don't want to express anything to her father. So, she just gave a cup of tea to her father, made him to sit inside the room. When she heard this order, she came out. She cut her hair, long hair she had. She cut her hair. She dressed up with a long robe, one of her father's dress, and she dressed as a man and took the sword, joined the army. The father said, I can go, how can a woman can join the army? But she said, you are too old and moreover the boy is too small, you have to take care of him. Let me do that, she said. So finally, without knowing to anyone, she joined the army. She started fighting in the war. For a few days later, she took a charge and started leading the soldiers in a group. And she won the battle. Moreover, finally she came as a general to the army. That means she was very powerful lady, but no one knows that she was a woman. So she fought and won the battle each and every day, so that army selected her as a general. After some time, few days, a heavy fever was washing out that area. That means fever which was affecting each and every one of the soldier, and they were very much of sick. So doctor came and checked each and every one of the soldiers. Finally, the doctor came to know that the general was a woman. But she requested the doctor not to express it anymore to the outside. But the doctor told the truth to the soldiers. And this topic went all over. Meanwhile, again the attack started from the enemy side. So all the soldiers forgot this issue and they started fighting again. With this powerful, energetic ladies team battled the war and won the war. So when they came back with a victory, the emperor was very glad. he requested her to join in his royal ministers, one of the royal advisors in his dynasty. But she requested him to leave her to her own town. So finally she took 6 horses and 6 swords as a reward for the battle she won. And when she went to her village, all the people enjoyed their victory and they praised Mulan as in to the total core. They were very happy. Mulan's father also was very happy. Children, we know that here the women power is exposed and focused to us, that we can do anything if we believe inside us. We should have the belief that I can achieve. So each one of you girls, children, please think that women can do anything. We are more powerful than men because we have got the mental stability, strong mental stability within us. We can face the problem, we can solve the problems. We are the solving people. Whatever the problems in our life, we can solve the problems. We can lift others' life to those who are surrounding, those who are surrounded. Even though the neighbor or the family members or our friends, whoever it is, we are the supporters. So here the moral is, we can achieve anything if we believe within us. Moreover, the fighting kung fu is not the just meaning of fighting and hitting and killing. This is a martial art to develop our wisdom and intelligence. That means to gain the power, inner power, not the physical power, mental power. And moreover, if you know the martial arts, we can keep ourselves and protect ourselves in the society. So just learn one of the martial arts if you can. Moreover, finally, I will come to know that self-respect, belief, faith, confidence, all these are shields for the women to safeguard ourselves. Here right now in COVID-19, we are all shielding ourselves with the same like faith, confidence, love and care. Please follow this and live happily. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hi, hello, good morning. I am your Mrs. Celestina Lawrence, going to take you the supplementary unit 3, the story of Mulan. Here in your textbook, they were given the martial art, Chinese Kung Fu. Regarding that, they have taught this martial arts which we can improve the wisdom and the intelligence. That means the Kung Fu fight is not a fight to fight and kill somebody else. It is just to improve our wisdom and our intelligence in a slow manner, to calm down ourselves and the senses, to come up in our life with the essence of the senses and to live happily. Here Kung means energy, that means power. Fu means time, period, that particular historical period of Chinese. This martial arts to China introduced by the monk Bodhidharma, who was an Indian. The message is said so. So Bodhidharma, the monk who went to China and developed all these martial arts to them, he taught them with particular medicines and martial arts to improve their lifestyle. During this 525 CE, this Liang dynasty, this Chinese people, those who were very powerful with this martial arts, and they shown to the world that are the most powerful people in the world. So the martial art is known Shaolin Kung Fu. That means the temple called Shaolin in the China, in that name has derived from that temple's name. So it is called Shaolin Kung Fu. Okay children, now we will go to the topic. Okay, the story goes on like that. She went happily to her village. All the villagers were very happy to receive Mulan. Children, let's go for the summary. Mulan was a brave and intelligent teenage girl. She joined the army. She was in charge of some soldiers in the beginning. Later, she was made the general of the army. With that army, they won the battle. That means the battle was very severe, but due to her courage and very powerful act, they won the battle. The emperor was very happy, was very glad. He gave her 6 fine horses and 6 fine swords as rewards, and he requested her to stay back in his dynasty as a advisor, royal advisor. But she refused. She received the only 6 fine horses and 6 fine swords, and she requested the emperor to leave her to go back to her village and to live with her family. So Mulan saved the China, returned to her village happily. This was the summary for this topic. Children, in your textbook, they have given us a fill-ups and jumble sentences. So if you know the story step by step, you can do that, writing the sentences in a correct order. In this, you can gain 5 marks. This type of jumble sentences will come for the question pattern, marks 5. So you have to write the sentences in a correct order. That means you should, before that, you should know the story very well. That's why. Shall I repeat once more? Okay. Mulan was a brave and intelligent teenage girl. She joined the army. She was in charge of some soldiers. Later, she was made the general of the army. They won the battle. The emperor was glad. He requested her to join in his royal advisor in his court, but she refused. She took only the 6 fine horses and 6 fine swords as rewards. Mulan saved China and returned to her village safely. Each and every village member was happy to receive Mulan. So, our family members also felt very happy to receive Mulan. Children, here with this story, we should know about the bravery of Mulan. Though she was a teenage young girl, she had the confident faith in her, and she had the powerful mind, that means intelligence and wisdom, to fight for the China, her own country. So she took a man form, that means she reacted as a man. She dressed up as a man and went to the army. She won the battle. Here the moral is, we also can do anything if we think, if we wish. As a woman, we can achieve anything if we are brave. Next thing, she had the powerful mind. That means the women are meant as Shakti, power. That means we can do anything, achieve anything. Here recently we have seen many problems in our society caused to women by men or by the society, so and so. Here, if we have the faith, bravery, and if you know something to protect ourselves, we can solve all this problem. One more thing, if you know, just learn one of the martial arts like Silambam or just karate or hitting anything, some sort of martial arts, better to learn to safeguard yourself. More than that, you should know that we can safeguard ourselves. Here, the wisdom, intelligence, bravery, all these are the shield to Mulan to win the battle. Here we female children also have the same thought like faith, confidence in ourselves, and we can fight. We can fight during the danger or during the problems. We can fight and we can save ourselves. Just keep it in your mind that we can save ourselves even though we are single. We are single, we are very powerful than men. we can save ourselves. Keep it in your mind that again and again I repeat, we can save ourselves. Be brave, act brave and live bravely. Thank you children. Have a good day.